Okay, hello. This is how to make anyone really, a person. My name is Zoya, and these are draw tutorials. So let's get started. Okay. So first things first, draw a U shape. I'm sorry if my hand's blocking the view, but next you draw the eyes, nose, and lips. So I'm gonna do some very simple features, but you can add a lot more detail if you wish. Also, you should add some very simple eyelashes, just because, in my opinion, faces look weird if you don't have eyelashes. So you should have a face that looks a bit like this. Next, we're gonna do the hair, making a simple hairline. So we start from around the top center place and just make strand by strand of any hairstyle. If you're doing just a random person, you can do whatever hairstyle you wish. If you're trying to copy anyone, do their hairstyle, of course. I'm just doing a short-haired girl. Now we're gonna do a neck by putting 2 lines down from the face. Then make the U shape underneath the neck. Then we're gonna make a t-shirt just basically what I'm showing you on the camera. I hope that the video is helping with the explanation a bit. Then just make the arms go out of the t-shirt arm things, and then make the hands. I've never been good at hands, so maybe your hands are way better than mine. Anyways, for the legs, make 2 lines go down from the t-shirt. Choose the level for your bottom bit, and make the legs as well. Once you're finished, you can always pause the video. Make shoes underneath. See the way I do it, not sideways, but in front. Now we're gonna add a bit of a shadow so that the feet, you know that the feet is on a surface. And you can stop the video here. This is perfectly good drawing by now, but I'm just gonna do a background. So I'm gonna do the mountains. So first I'm just gonna create the mountain slopes. So I'm just doing one that goes behind the person and then another joining there. Then we're just gonna make these little curvy things for the trees, since in my mountains there are gonna be a lot of trees. And then once you're finished with these, just a second while I'm finishing off my little curvy things, we can do the other one. So just like that, a bit more curves. So in this video, it's really just a simple drawing, not that detailed, but yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna be drawing a bird by putting like this curvy V thing for the bird itself. Then I'm just gonna make a few bumpy things in the sky for clouds. So yeah, that's how you draw anyone.